We hear all the time about how grateful people are that there is somewhere they can go to get warm. Our warming center especially has been very busy, and we expect it's going to get even busier.
For people who need a warm and safe place to stay the night, places are open to provide that shelter. Here in Genesee County, men can spend the night at Catholic Charities Center for Hope. Women and children can stay at the Shelter of Flint. Those are two shelters available right now. According to data from Metro Community Development, nearly 4,000 people experienced homelessness in Flint and Genesee County last year. When temperatures drop, it poses an even greater risk for people who don't have a place to go.
And our warming center has been having around 40 people.
It's a place to stay warm during the night hours. The Shelter of Flint has opened its doors this winter to women and children. Check-in starts at 5 every night.
The temperatures are so awful, and to have somewhere for people to go to get out of the cold, just a brief respite from the cold, is so important.
Men stay at the warming center at Catholic Charities Center for Hope. Check-in there begins at 6. Shelly Hoffman is the Vice President and Chief Operating Officer at the Shelter of Flint. She says people shouldn't hesitate to reach out or just show up.
They were people who were reluctant in the past to come to a shelter, but when they came here and they saw how our shelter operated, they realized that there was a place here for them.
During the day, there are other places to warm up. Catholic Charities Center for Hope is open from 9 to 5. Lunch is served at 11:30, and there are showers and laundry facilities available for people. The city has also set up space for people to get out of the cold.
We'll be engaging in a 7-day operation because of the weather. So our warming stations will remain engaged beyond Friday.
Flint Mayor Sheldon Neely says they will have refreshments and board games inside the Mays Senior and Community Center, as well as the McKinley Center.
We encourage you to reach out to make sure that we're all safe this weekend while the weather is harsh.
Both Catholic Charities and the Shelter of Flint will have their warming centers open through March. We have a link for you on our website with all the details on warming centers and where people can get a meal during the day as well. Just go to midmichigannow.com.